Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Today's lecture number 3. Today we will discuss the world of dinosaurs. The dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. They were called terrible lizards. They were of various types of some of them are given below. Means dinosaurs lived millions years ago. They were called the terrible lizards. Some of them are given below. First, small bipedals ornithosauros with thick skulls, flat bodies, and had a rounded dome of solid bone on the skull. The name of this dinosaur Pachycephalosaurus. Second, they were bipedal flesh eaters. They were heavy 5 metric ton and long 12 meters. The name of this dinosaurs Theropods. This third, flatted dinosaurs of late years with double row of triangular bony plates on backs. The name of this dinosaurs Stegosaurus. Fourth, plant-eating dinosaurs with 3 to feet like birds. Plant-eating dinosaurs with 3 to feet like birds. The name of this dinosaurs Ornithopods. Fifth, the quadruped horns dinosaurs with horns over the nose and eyes. They had a saddle-shaped bony frill up to neck. These dinosaurs were heavy and were about 8 meters in length. The name of this dinosaurs Ceratospian. 6. Tank-like dinosaurs with thick oval plates in the leathery skin for protections. They had spikes, horns, and also a club-like tails. The name of this dinosaurs Ankylosaurus. This one is the Ankylosaurus. The great women honors of India. Identify these great women who brought honor to India. India is proud of them. First women swimmers conquered 7 sea. The name of this Bulla Chaudhary. Second, first woman of India to climb Mount Everest in 1984. First woman of India to climb Mount Everest in 1984. The name of Bachendri Pal. Third, first Indian woman born in India. Astronaut. She lost her life aboard USA Space Shuttle's Columbia on February 1, 2003. First Indian woman born in India, astronaut. She lost her life aboard USA Space Shuttle Columbia. The name of Kalpana Chawla. Fourth, the American astronaut of Indian origin who spent the longest time in space and also made a record in spacewalking. The American astronaut of Indian origin who spent the longest time in space and also made a record in spacewalking. The name of Sunita Williams. Fifth, first woman in the world to climb Mount Everest twice. Name is Santosh Yadav. Question number 6. First Indian seeded women tennis player and winner of WTA title. First Indian seeded women tennis player and winner of WTA World Tennis Association's title, Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza. Question number 7. First Indian woman scoring a test double century. First Indian woman scoring a test double century, Mithali Raj. 8. First medalist in World Athletics Championship in 2003. First medalist in World Athletics Championship in 2003, Anju Bobby George. Anju Bobby George. 9th. First ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year 2007. First ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year 2007, Jhulan Goswami. Jhulan Goswami. 10th. First Indian woman to be appointed civil police advisor in UNA. Civil police advisor in UNA, Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi. 11th. First musician to be awarded Bharat Ratna, MS Subbulakshmi. MS Subbulakshmi. 12th. First woman president of UN General Assembly, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. The record holders. Famous for some of the first achievers of certain field have been mentioned below. Read the clue and name them. First question, the first person to walk on moon. The first person to walk on moon, Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong. Second, the person who first climbed Mount Everest. A person who first climbed Mount Everest. Answer, Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary. Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary. Third, first man to run a mile in less than 5 minutes. First man to run a mile in less than 5 minutes. Answer, Roger Bannister. Roger Bannister. Question number 4. Who was the first Indian president of Indian National Congress? Who was the first Indian president of the Indian National Congress? W.C. Banerjee. W.C. Banerjee. Question 5th. Who was the first Indian to become Miss World? Who was the first Indian to become Miss World? Answer, Rita Faria. Rita Faria. Question number 6. Who was the first actress on the jury of the Cannes International Film Festival? Who was the first actress on the jury of the Cannes International Film Festival? Answer is Aishwarya Rai. Aishwarya Rai. Question number 7. Who was the first Indian to become a licensed pilot? Who was the first Indian to become a licensed pilot? Answer, J.R.D. Tata. J.R.D. Tata. Question number 8. Who is the youngest female writer to win the Man Booker Prize in 2006? Who is the youngest female writer to win the Man Booker Prize in 2006? Answer, Kiran Desai. Kiran Desai. Question number 9. Which was the first Indian mountain railway station to be included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site? Included UNESCO World Heritage Site. Answer, Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Means Darjeeling Himalaya Railway was the first Indian mountain railway system to be included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Question number 10. Who was the first woman Chief Justice of High Court in India? Who was the first woman Chief Justice of High Court in India? Answer is Leela Seth. Leela Seth. Question number 11. Who was the first Indian president to fly a Sukhoi 30 fighter aircraft? Who was the first Indian president to fly in Sukhoi 30 fighter aircraft? Answer, APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 12. Who was India's first man in space? Who was India's first man in space? Answer Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma. Hopefully all students understand all content of this video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number, and each and every students write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.